Oh boy. We got fire, folks. Heck, you're out fishing. You got some fresh fish on the boat. Cook your fish right there on the freaking boat. What's up, y'all? Just another day in the shop, goofing around, trying to figure out this 3D printing stuff. I'm getting there. I'm getting better. Added a multicolor system to it, so I'm trying to figure out the multicolor stuff, which has changed some things. I'm getting there. But it's getting about lunchtime. Yeah. And I want to bring you guys along on a little test on something. So I got something in the mail recently, and today's probably a good day to test it out and bring you guys along. So it's from a company, and it's not this, but the same company. See this pull start fire? Y'all seen this before. Hopefully you have. If not, maybe we'll throw a little clip in here somewhere. But a really cool fire starter. It's like freaking ridiculous, stupid hot. If you got wet wood or anything like that, you don't need any other devices to help get this going. You literally pull a string, it sets off kind of like a, I don't know, in a way like it's a firework, but not a firework. You understand? I don't know how to, but it starts a chain reaction. This freaking thing burns hot, and we'll get a fire started. Yeehaw. But they sent something new that I am pretty excited about. It's this right here. Check that out. Pull start fire grill. It's a freaking grill, y'all. It's like a disposable, one-time use, recyclable, 100% natural, eco-friendly charcoal freaking grill. And I got some brats in my little refrigerator over there. Going to cook me up a couple brats with this thing. Let's take a look at what's inside, and then we'll go outside and put it together. I've never used this ever, like for real. I don't know anything about it other than I know the company makes a legit fire starter in this right here. So let's see if this thing works. Cook you up some to eat during a natural disaster or grid down situation. I don't know, sky's the limit. Use your brains. Alright, so in general pull start fire fashion, it says right here, pull start grill. You just pull that string and you rock and roll, right? No matches, no lighters, ready in 5 minutes, 3-hour grill time. Contains charcoal dust, open bag without spilling. Alright, keep sealed until ready for use. Yeehaw. Remove that tab, pull string. We'll just set this down on concrete and see how it works. See you outside. Let there be light. Got a freaking mess out here. First stand, I reckon. Our second stand. It's got a little handle over here, which I assume is for you to hold for when you pull the string. There we are. We're going to pull this out. Remove before flight kind of situation. Oh boy. Yep. Pull start fire fashion. Yep. We got fire, folks. I'll pull you in a little closer. I don't know if y'all can hear that sizzling sound. So I see a little bit of it turning a white-ish or grayish color. It's not as dark. Here on the edges, it looks like it's heating up pretty good. The edges are starting to change from a black to more of a gray color. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but it looks like it's evenly getting, it's evenly lit across, which is pretty cool. All right, so I got me 3 Johnsonville brats right here on a cheap gas station paper plate. Considering that the food is right directly on over top of the charcoal, there's not a whole lot of way, right, for you to be able to regulate temperature with this. So I'm just going to try to keep them turning, try to cook them evenly without burning one side or the other while I sweat in the heat. I got all this shade back here. Look at all that shade. What do? Do it right here in the sun. Grilling in the sun. 100 degrees outside. I love Pull Start Fire. There's an excellent company. We've had their products in our store for a long time, and we've featured them in BattlBox a couple times over the last 10 years, I think it's been. And now they got this thing. It's pretty freaking rad, man. I'd 100% put this like in a preparation kit for something like that. It's quick, easy, no mess, no fuss. I ain't got to freaking waste a bunch of charcoal for a small meal. Now, if I had like a steak or greasy cheeseburger on here, that may be different, maybe. I don't know. We're cooking brats. But, you understand what I'm saying? Might be great for that type of situation. Heck, you're out fishing. You got some fresh fish on the boat. Cook your fish right there on the freaking boat. Your little John boat, your little river boat, something like that. Stop off at the sandbar while you're out with your friends fishing and swimming in the river. And break out your Pull Start Fire grill. You get where I'm going with things here? What else could you do with it? What situations, what problems could it help solve? Get your head out of your butt. I mean, come on, folks. Let's go, right? Think about these things. I think this is pretty cool. All right, I think we're done. We're going to put these on the plate. Boom. Brats on the plate. All right. So, there's the old braterinos. Oh, yeah. So, yeah. Works as advertised, man. No matches, no lighters. Yep. Ready in 5 minutes. 3 hours grill time. I took a mental note of what time I started that grill. And we'll just put some text right here, right now. I dig it. I think it's cool. I think it could be a potential problem solver. I think it could be a potential good thing for natural disaster situations, bug-in situations, heck, even a bug-out situation. Toting some of that versus toting a bunch of charcoal, if that's what you were going to do. I'm being facetious, guys, with that. I'm not going to tote freaking charcoal. Yeah, me either. But you get what I'm saying. This is how good the food tastes. I'm not promoting this thing for them. They sent it to me. I'm testing it out, sharing it with you. Y'all let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. And of course, if you want an awesome fire starter, you can find Pull Start Fire at battlebox.com. These come in a box of, I think, 3 or 4. I can't remember. These are great. And this does create an open flame. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below, everybody. I love you. I mean it. I'll see you next time with another product test. Mark this one as a thumbs up from me. I want to know what you think. Love you, mean it. Bye-bye now. I was going to turn the camera off, but I figured y'all wanted to see me bite into a brat one more time. That is good.